Welcome to our tutorial on how to silence calls and ringtone from a specific chat on Messenger. If you're constantly being bombarded with calls from a certain chat and need some peace and quiet, you've come to the right place. First, open up the Messenger app on your Android device. Once you're in, navigate to the chat where you want to silence the calls. This could be a group chat or a one-on-one conversation. Next, tap on the contact's name at the top of the chat window. This will open up a menu with various options. Look for the Notifications and Sounds option and tap on it. In the Notifications and Sounds menu, you'll see an option for calls. Tap on this to access the settings for call notifications. Here, you'll find the option to mute calls from this specific chat. You can choose to silence the calls indefinitely or for a set period of time. Once you've made your selection, tap OK to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully silenced calls and ringtone from a specific chat on Messenger. Now you can enjoy some peace and quiet without being interrupted by unwanted calls. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.